Good evening, this is TJ Technology, and we're about to we're about to fix a PS3 that is corrupted. As you can see, the file system on the file system on the system storage is corrupted and will be restored. So it said we should press OK, so we have to press here, then we press OK to restore. The restoration is going on, but it will never complete. Why? Is because the hard disk is corrupted, or the hard disk is damaged. So how are we going to do this? We have to change the hard disk from this. So we have to remove the hard disk. This is where the hard disk is, so we have to bring it out. We turn off the game, then you bring this out. This is the hard disk. Yeah, then we lose the hard disk and bring another one. So and bring out the new hard disk. This is the new hard disk we want to put inside. So let's go. We remove this is damaged, and we put in this, and we screw it back. Okay, don't mind my screwdriver. And now this is the new one, and we have to insert it back to the place. Yeah, so let's bring it on. The controller, it says connect the controller using the USB. This is the controller, which is the part. Then we press the PS button, which is here. You can see. Then we said we should press the PS button to restart the system. We restart the system. PS, so same thing. The version is 4.83 or later. So you have to download and update firmware, a PS3 update firmware of 4.83 or higher than 4.83 or 4.84, 4.85 to 4.87. So if you want to make this if we want to make the PS3 to format this hard disk itself, then we have to press and hold the power button. Let's go and press and hold the power button to see what is going to happen. You have to turn it off. Then when you press and hold the power button until you had a 2 beep before you can release it. Now you press first one and press the second. You press the second one down and press and hold till you hear 2 beep. You can see. Then you leave. You press. You now download. You have to download your this thing, the firmware, and this is my own firmware that I downloaded, and I put it inside. I put it inside the flash, and this is the flash here, and this is it. System partition of storage will be formatted during the format operation. All data of the system may be deleted. To format, press and hold the start button at the same time for 5 seconds. So we have to press and hold this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can see. And we start formatting. So this system, the PS3 itself, is going to format and update its firmware to the hard disk. So let's keep checking. And I've started formatting now. That's it. So it's going. Still going. Okay. And restart. And see now. Shall I should press the I installed the 4.87, the latest one, and you can see it's right there. PS3 system software version 4.87. So he said I should press the power button, come down to the checking for update data. Please wait. You see, I press the power button. That's the Samsung logo. Yes, sir. That's on the keyboard, on the pad. So you can see, sir? System software license agreed, sir, stuff. So
I think it is the total that you need to. It is the total that we need to type, sir.
Press next. Do you accept the user agreement? Yes. Then do not turn off the system during the updates. If you do, you may not be able to restart the PS3 system Once the update is started, you cannot go back to the previous version of the system software. Press the X button to start the update, and you do what? You press X button, and let's go. And I started installing.
What do I do? I don't know.
You can see it's installing now, so let's wait for it.
Mi ò draw
ẹ má wọlé
portrait.
ẹ mú àdìsí wá àti ilé
So I'm
ẹ
planning
má ti
to
parí ẹ
draw the eye chart for
ẹ má ló ti jẹ́ òṣèlú fún wa. Yes, sir. As you can see,
my draw pie chart
Still going.
week store men. My
See.
draw pie chart moderate store men.
Installing.
My draw is
So that's
pie
it.
chart strong store.
Okay, it's done. What's next?
Better.
Sony, you can see Sony Interactive Entertainment, English. So which one are we pressing?
They never consider solar minimum, sir.
US.
Yes,
Three
sir.
button to start. X.
Yes, sir.
Mexico, US time, Canada. Yes.
Hey, under that, I only have CHSS.
We should have as Nigerian time. That's London time. That's London time. Nigeria, it's London time. Next time 2012. Set the time. X to edit. Today's date is 1 2. Today is 2. Okay, this is month. This is 09 September. 09 to 2021, and the time is 16:38. 16:38 should be 9:40. Yeah. 9:40. 9:40.
I have two sources, sir.
9:40. 0
Yes, sir. Yes.
p.m. Press X to continue.
CAP and
The
CH
user,
and CHHSS.
user 1.
CAP get 32.
Edit. Can change it to
CHHSS is 51.
can change it to
No, it's
Not bad to make use of this.
CHHSS 1.
let's make use of this.
Yes. That's all, sir.
Delete backspace.
Yes, sir.
Let's make it TJ in calculator.
Yes, sir. Yes, I'm listening, sir. I am, sir. All right, sir.
CJ.
Yes, I'm listening, sir. Okay, sir. Sir, can I copy? Can I copy? Keyboard system, you really understand it.
CJ Technology. Press enter. Technology. Press enter. Ṣé kí ló ti ń bẹ̀ sọ̀rọ̀ ẹ̀? You can see next one to connect to the internet. You can use PS3. If you do not want to adjust the settings now, press O. So we have to press 0. You have to press on it, then I press 0. Do you want to cancel? You can set up an internet connection later in under network. Yes. You want to cancel? Yes. And so that's it. So it's going now. As you can see, PS3. Now we're in for it. You can see now. So there's a disc right there that I just put inside. There's nothing there. The play, nothing is there. Okay. So USB drive. Let's see. That's it.
I will give that bro. Those one like this. See,
That's it. Again, new user. Power off. Again, yes. And that's how to fix your PS3 hard disk that is not loading. Changing your faulty hard disk and putting the new hard disk, formatting it to its own format by itself. Thanks for watching. Thanks for learning. God bless you. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give a thumbs up. Bye.